You go, I go, you stay, I stay, one song to sing.
What up, guys? Got some workout footage from our max effort push day. Got Mrs. the online coach here hitting a 5-rep set on conventionals. Rocking that Ninja Turtle tank top. Really proud of her. She's been making some really awesome strength gains. She's still reversing, staying lean, getting stronger, getting mentally, just getting in a better place mentally. Alright, moving on. Bench press. Here's Tankster hitting this is a PR for him, I think. This is a 195. Wait, no, that was I think 175 for 4. Here's my first working set. We did 4 sets. We were just doing, we were just messing around, having fun. Doubles, singles, triples. But that was a double. You can't see the weight, but take my word for it. Wouldn't lie to you guys. My set was 305 for a double. Hit that pretty clean. Happy. And that last set was a PR for Tankster. It was a 1-rep max of 195. And here I'm attempting 330. Was able to get it. Bar speed was okay. Could have been better. OHPs. Tankster also hit a PR here. He hit this, I believe, 5 times. But as you guys can see, I'm using the GoPro today. Just clipping it onto different places on the equipment. Just trying to give you guys a different feel, just different look. Hope you guys enjoy it. I think it looks pretty cool. Let me know. But anyways, I have like a snake little swivel clip GoPro accessory that I bought. I used it on that mountain bike video that I put out last month, I think. Here's Mrs. the online coach hitting a set. OHPs. She has what is that? 65 pounds. This is our higher rep day. She's killing that. She is really killing that. Easy. Good bar speed. Alright, here's my first working set. This is 185, I believe. I'm looking at my notes. Look at my app. I hit this for 4. Here is a single. It's 205. Here's my boy Nick. He was letting us work in for the OHPs. He was squatting. He's a power lifter. He competes. He's doing a set of 315, I think. That's what he has on the bar for pause reps. Cool guy. Shout out to you, Nick. And if you're watching this, I know your kids watch YouTube. Shout out to you guys. Your daddy's a great guy. Here's back down set. My goal was triple. This is 190. And I was successful with it. Felt really good. Felt pretty decent for after doing those heavier low rep sets on bench. Alright, here is us on incline bench press. Tankster has, I think that was, there's a 5 on each side, 145. We had 3 sets of this in the 3 to 5 rep range. I hit 3 sets. I had this first set 245, got a 10 on each side. I hit it 4 times, and then 2 sets of 235 for 4 reps. Yeah, this will be our last week running my program. Monday we're going to start Johnny Candido's strength program. We're both pretty excited. Sonia's going to be hitting it too. Hers is going to be a little bit modified because she only hits the gym 3 times a week, and that's just due to having a sitter for our daughter Riley. But yeah, I give her credit. She's been making gains, just training 3 days a week. She's on more of a upper-lower split, making it work. So ladies, there's no excuses. I mean, if you just work to have that balance in your life, you can do it. Decided to do some pec deck flies, rear pec deck fly, the rear delts. We did 3 sets of this. Kept it in the 10 to 12 rep range. Some of you have asked, like, why do we do rear delts on push day? It's not pushing. I mean, I feel like it works more efficient for me and Tankster. I mean, it hasn't bothered our training, our split, but I consider it, you know, your delts. Push, yeah, you're hitting bench press, anything pushing, but shoulders, your rear delt is your shoulder, your deltoid. I just like it like that. It's our preference. It's been working for me, so I'm not going to change it. And it doesn't bother, you know, the next workouts, because that rear delt is just, it's a small muscle. It's not going to tax you too much. All right, one tricep movement, just tricep extension. We did 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps. And then we finished it off with Smith machine shrugs on that contraption that we have here at Gold's Gym. We did 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, and I didn't film that. I think it's kind of boring for you guys. Didn't want to have the video too long. That's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
What's that?
You go, I go, you stay, I stay. One song to sing.